My name is Madrigal. I am the E911 MSAG Program Manager for Weld County Regional Communications Center in Greeley, Colorado. We're the third largest county in the state of Colorado with a population of approximately 300,000 people. We've been a NICE customer since about 2006, and we use NICE Inform to record our calls that come into the center as well as radio traffic. We use it frequently to do recordings for our user agencies, audio recordings, as well as for the DA's office. It's a very user-friendly module. We're able to pull radio traffic and call recordings for our users easily and quickly when needed. We also use it for quality assurance so that we can monitor trends and offer targeted training for our employees.
My name is Robert Olsen. I'm the Education and Quality Improvement Manager for Weld County Regional Communications Center. I utilize in my position NICE Inform to review multiple calls daily, monthly. I think it's a vital tool for our mission. Currently, we use NICE Inform for training, and it's general right now with call reviews, listening to recordings. We're going to be adding Evaluator with they'll assist us more in the concept of looking at the film. More, it's going to enhance our coaching, being able to look at screen recordings, look at reviews at a higher level. Our reporting information will enable us to analyze the trainee at a much higher level, giving them a much better chance for success. What I'm impressed most about our organization is that we're committed at all levels to providing the highest level of service to our citizens and our user agencies. And I believe NICE Inform, NICE Evaluator, utilizing these tools will enable us the opportunity to meet the very high expectations now placed on emergency communication centers.
We're getting ready to implement NICE Evaluator into our QA program, and in preparing for that, the interaction that we've had with the NICE employees has been beneficial. They've been very knowledgeable about anything that we've asked them, and they've kept us informed on the project and moving forward with that. I do recommend NICE to other agencies that we interact with. It's a very user-friendly program, and the staff is very helpful. We've had a very positive experience with NICE and the products that we use through NICE, and I really look forward to future products that they come out with.